Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I'm here once again with my new tutorial. Today I'm going to make a beautiful pattern. So the pattern name is Apache Tears or Apache Pattern. So we are going to do this by making a lot of colors you can choose for this. So I am taking more than two colors are preferred. So it will show how the Apache tears come in the pattern below. So I'm taking basically four colors. These are the colors I'll be taking. Okay, so let's take one by one all the shades and then start making. It's very easy, beginner friendly, and it comes out very beautiful in the afghans or in the normal if cardigan you are making. It gives a beautiful look. Okay, so let's start with it. So first of all, make a slip knot and then make any number of chains you can take, but because I'm going to make the pattern of the combination of, I would say, 6, so multiples of 6 you have to take. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 4 times I have taken 6 combination of 6 stitches. You can take a combination of 5, you can take a combination of 4, you can take a combination of 7 or any number of stitches. So any number of combinations taken plus 1 stitch. So this stitch is made in single crochet stitch and a treble crochet stitch. Okay, so first of all, make one single crochet in each of the stitches starting from the second stitch from the hook. So single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch, because we have taken 4 sets of or 4 sets of 6 multiples, right? So there will be 24 single crochet stitches. So make one single crochet in each of the stitches till you reach the last stitch. So I'll meet you at the end of this stitch. So when you have made one single crochet in each of the stitches till the required length, just finish off this first color by making chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, now you have to take the second color, because as I told you, in each row if you take different yarns, that will be a beautiful color combination. So okay, so in this work I have made one single crochet in each stitch. Row number 2 we will be working in the back loops only. So if I show you, this is a total stitch. So the loops that are visible to your side on your work side, that are front side loops, and the loops that are far from your side are called the back loops. So we will be working in the back loops only. The front loop will be as it is. Okay, so make a slip knot, right, and this is your first stitch. In the back loop only, attach your yarn like this, make a slip knot and then pass through it, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch. Now start making one single crochet in the back loop only. So only the back loop of the stitch you have to make one single crochet like this. Okay, so this kind of this ridge or these loops must be visible while you are working for Apache Tears pattern. So this row will second row will also be like making one single crochet in each of the stitches, but back loops only. So make one single crochet in each of the back loops till the end, finish off this color. So we'll work in the third row and I'll show you how to make the third row. So I'll meet you at the end of row number 2. Okay, row number 2 is done. So row number 3 will be exactly similar with like row number 2. So attach the next color yarn or you can repeat the alternative color of yarn, like I have used off-white and pink. You can again use off-white and again pink, but I am using different colors for each row to show the difference. So attach in the back loop, chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Again in the back loops only you have to make one single crochet in each of the stitches till end. So row number 3 will be exactly similar like row number 2, like this. Okay, back loops only and make one single crochet in each stitch. So your basically Apache Tears will start from row number 4. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of row number 3, and row number 4 we will be starting the Apache Tears together. Okay, so make one single crochet in each of the back loops of the stitches, and then we will start row number 4 together. Okay, now my row number 3 is also done. So we have to attach in the back loop of the first stitch the fourth color I am using. So attach it with the help of a chain 1. Now we are going to make a treble crochet stitch. So where we have to make a treble crochet stitch, so you have to skip the 2 rows below. So like this over here I am working on the blue shade. So green row is to be skipped, pink row is to be skipped, and you have to make this treble crochet stitch in this off-white shade. Okay, so this is the first row, second row, third row after this row. So this first row, this row should be skipped, this row should be skipped. So you have to make one treble crochet in this stitch. So where you have to make, so these are the front loops, you can see these front loops, you have to make a treble crochet in the front loop below this stitch. So this is the first stitch, this is the this is the front loop of green row, this is the front loop of pink row, and here is a small of white. This is the front loop in the off-white shade. So here we are going to make one treble crochet stitch. So yarn over twice and take the front loop exactly below this in the third row, skip 2 rows below and go in the third row, and then make a treble crochet stitch. This is your Apache tear. One tear has been made. Okay, now as I told you, I am using a combination of 6 stitches. So 5 stitches plus 1 for the tear. So one tear I have made, 5 more single crochet stitches are to be done in the back loop only. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, now after making the 5 single crochet, again make one tear by yarn over twice, and because we have to make in this the next loop, so skip the green loop, this one below this one, pink also, and this is the off-white color. So here we are going to make a treble crochet stitch like this. So one more tear is done. Now the stitch where you have made this treble crochet stitch, this single crochet is to be skipped below, and in the next stitch you have to start making single crochet stitches. So again 5 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth stitch we are going to make Apache tear. So yarn over twice, in the next stitch corresponding to that the off-white loop, the front loop, take it and then make a treble crochet stitch like this, and skip the single crochet that is at the back of this treble crochet, tear, Apache tear, and then in the next stitch start making one single crochet in the 5 stitches, one in the each of the 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more time we are going to make a tier. So 1, 2 and 3. So in the third loop we are going to make this tier. Okay, skip the stitch below, stitch at the back, and then one single crochet in the last 5 stitches. As I told you, it can be 5 stitches or a combination of 6 stitches, it can be a combination of 4 stitches, or it can be a combination of 7 stitches. It is up to you. Okay, so this row, fourth row is been done. Chain 1 and then finish off here. Row number 4 is done. Now let's make row number 5. Now I am going to repeat the same combination again. So taking my off-white shade and attaching at the top of back loop of the top of the treble crochet stitch with the help of a slip knot. Chain 1. Now make one single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, now in the second stitch we are going to make an Apache tear. So yarn over twice, second stitch, corresponding to that there is blue stitch and then green stitch. Now make one Apache tear in the pink row. Okay, so like this. You have to skip 2 rows below, go in the third row and then make the Apache tear in the front loop. So skip the single crochet below at the back of this treble crochet and then make 5 single crochet next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your last stitch will be on the top of treble crochet stitch, and next stitch to the treble crochet stitch or Apache tear will be your next Apache tear in the skip the 2 rows and in the third row. So now you know you have to make in the pink row and immediately next to the tier that you have made already. Like this. Skip the single crochet at the back side of this Apache tear and one single crochet in the back loop of the next 5 stitches. 3, 4, 5. Again treble crochet in the third row. Just a second. This is the first stitch, this is the second loop. Okay, and this is the third loop. Okay, skipping the single crochet back at the back of this Apache tear, one single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches in the back loop only. If you are making single crochet, that should be in the back loop only, but if you are making a treble crochet, that should be by skipping 2 rows and going in the third row and making that treble in the front loop that is visible to your side. You have to make the treble crochet in that loop only and skip the stitch at the back side of this Apache tear or the treble crochet stitch and one single crochet in the next 4 stitches, the last row, because there are 4 stitches left. Yarn over, chain 1 and cut the yarn. So row number 5 is done like this. Now you'll make a single crochet in the first stitch, in the second stitch, in the third stitch you will make a Apache tear. Again skip 5 stitches in the next row, skip the 2 rows below and go to the green one and then make a Apache tear. So I'll show you how to make this, how it will look. So in a while I'll meet you in a while to show how the Apache tears come down. Now I have made these much rows, so your pattern will look like this. It's a beautiful stair like pattern. This is called Apache Tears pattern. So you can use any number of colors, any type of yarn you can choose, but the type of yarn should be the similar one, because like I have used here 4 types of yarn, and 4 yarns are of same density, same type. Okay, so otherwise your pattern will look a bit different. And these are the ends that you have to sew in, because these doesn't look nice as like this. So this is a small project, so these sides are visible. Otherwise when you make a big project, then it will look much different. These yarns are to be sewn inside. Okay, so hope you like my video on making this beautiful pattern, and it's very easy, just a treble crochet stitch and a single crochet stitch, right? So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you once again.